Hello, my dear friends and the expected teacher. First of all of you, Happy Independence Day. My name is Brajratan Sone, and today I will represent a speech on Independence Day. So let's start it. 15 August Independence Day. A very happy Independence Day to all of you. We all know that India is celebrating its 75th Independence Day on August 15, 2021. Today I am very happy to have the opportunity to express my thoughts on this auspicious oceans of Independence Day. Independence Day is one of the most memorable days in history. The day Indian got liberated from Britishers after 200 years of long struggles and fight. From the British rule, India got freedom on 15 August 1947. It's a day to celebrate our freedom by paying tribute to all the national freedom fighters who have shown immense love, bravely sacrificed patriotism for their mother's nation and has gifted us this beautiful India. Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhagat Singh, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and Swami Vivekananda are some of the most revered freedom fighters of India. After freedom, every Indian got basic rights what every human needs for the nation and motherland. It is the most important day of each and every Indian, and this day has already written as the most valuable day of India. People celebrate Independence Day by hosting and the national flag and recite the national anthem. India is our motherland and we are the citizens of this country. We should always protect the harmony of our country from the enemy. This is our responsibility to lead our country to become the superpower of the world and make it the best. Thank you, Jai Hind. Thank you for listening to me.